Hello, hello, and good evening.
Hey, hey,
Hope all is well. My name is Ernest from the Profit Room.
I'm Latoya from the Profit Room as well.
All right, we've been doing this video series going live every day to talk about our new course we have. It's called Stock Market Stimulus. So if you go over there, stockmarketstimulus.com, you get a lot of information on that. Today we're going to be talking about if you have a 9 to 5 job, can you still trade and invest in the stock market? So Latoya, if you do have a 9 to 5, can you actually trade and invest in the stock market? What's your thoughts on that?
Of course, yes, you can. And the only reason why I'm saying that because I'm speaking from experience. So before I quit my 9 to 5, I used to trade all of the time while working a 9 to 5. But there's ways to do it where it's not stressful, it's not time consuming, most important, that you can actually fit it in your schedule to learn how to trade and invest or trade in general within the stock market. So, yes, you can. And I know you did it as well, Ernest. You was able to trade during the time when you worked, right? But it wasn't technically a 9 to 5. It's more so shift jobs, correct?
Yes, I was definitely able to do that as well. And guys, don't forget, make sure you forward this to other people, especially if you're on Facebook, and share. We on YouTube as well, going live. Yeah, I was in a position where I worked shifts. So I had shifts I could do 1 to 9, 4 to 12, things of that nature, and I was able to put trading into play. And a lot of our students that we have now are busy people. We have students that are mothers, we have students that are out of the country, we have students that are shift workers like nurses, truck drivers, and so much. So the thing is about trading or investing, you don't have to be at the computer all the time. That's why there's so many different markets. Our main focus that we're talking about with stock market stimulus is stocks and options. So if you're trading stocks and options, yes, you can still have a 9 to 5 job and be consistently profitable. The way we teach our students is in a structured way. So even though they have a busy lifestyle, they can still participate in the market. And that's one of the biggest misconceptions, is that you have to be in front of the computer all the time. There's a term that's called swing trading. So you want to explain that, what swing trading is?
Yeah, so swing trading, where we define it as microwave trading, you basically set it and forget it. So, technically, when you really think about trading, I'm just going to break it down for all the newbies who are listening. When you're day trading, your intent is to be in and out of the market. It doesn't matter what market, the very same day you entered in that position. However, swing trading is a method. And with swing trading, your goal is to have the ability to analyze anytime you, more importantly, you want to analyze something based off of your timing, and to be able to enter in the position based off of your analysis. Once again, you set the trade because you have a plan in which we're going to teach you within the stock market stimulus course. So that's you're setting it, you're forgetting it, you're walking away until it either hits your target. So that's the whole concept of swing trading, where it can take a day to a few days to perhaps a few weeks, all based off of the way you analyze. That's our definition of swing trading.
Yep. And like Latoya mentioned, with that microwave trade, like just imagine putting something in a microwave. It's either cooked fully or it's not. And that's where you have what we call a stop loss. Now that's a predetermined risk, and we have a predetermined reward. And that allows you to be comfortable with trading. Like you don't want to have to sit back at work, or you're taking your kids to school, or you're dealing with something else. Oh, I got to worry about what the stock market is doing. No, if you have a systematic plan of how to enter and exit a trade by keeping risk management as a priority, but you could get in a trade in a way that you can feel comfortable. That's it. In order not to worry all day, because we trade in probabilities no matter what. We trade in probabilities. So every time we enter a trade, we want to make sure it's the highest probability. And that's where we make you feel comfortable, because nobody wants undue anxiety and worried about this, because we don't have disposable income. A lot of us are not in a situation where we can just, okay, throw it out there. If it wins, it works out great. Besides that point, we just always want to realize that when you are trading or you are investing, you don't always have to be in front of the computer screen. You don't always have to worry about your trade. When you first start out, you may feel a little uncomfortable, but once you have the information and once you have the solid trading plan, you can consistently trade a certain way that can benefit you. So what we really just wanted to talk about was just a little bit of information about questions that come up to us about, oh, I have a job, I have a busy lifestyle, can I really trade or invest in the market? And you absolutely can. So just to give up a little summary, you can trade and invest if you are busy or working a 9 to 5 or a shift worker or any other type of entrepreneur. And we have a great course for you to first start out. It's called Stock Market Stimulus. If you go to stockmarketstimulus.com, we are giving you great information. This is a launch. So if you're watching this live right now, Facebook, YouTube, or any place else on social media, we are presenting this to you now because as of April 20th, this deal will no longer be available. This is a great, amazing deal. Like we mentioned earlier during our lives a couple of days ago, we did a great group course in 2020, had so many successful students. So many successful students. We want to do it again, and we want to make sure that everybody has a chance to participate in stock market stimulus. We're also going to have a bonus live training on May 2nd, which is also great. And you'll be amongst a lot of people in the community in our private Facebook group. So hope you guys are having an amazing evening. Tell your friends about this. This course is designed for the absolute beginner and also for anyone who may be struggling trading stocks and options or just been, playing around watching a couple of YouTube videos or who just need structure or need to be around individuals like yourself who wants a solid foundation going into trading and investing. So we'll just say have a good night. We'll see you again.
Yes,
Always subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also subscribe on our website, theprofitroom.com. Get on our email list because we'll be going
definitely.
live very, very on a consistent basis for the next couple of days just to talk about stock market stimulus, answer some questions that we always receive that people email us about the stock market in general, just to make you guys feel a little bit more comfortable with the stock market in general if you're new to the stock market.
All right, everyone. With that said, please get educated and be safe. Speak to you soon.
All right, take care.